exquisite, accurate, landmark. Jakcom Universal Remote Control i2L. Jakcom i2L is a universal remote control which is designed for Apple device, following the industrial design concept of Apple products, make it looks like an Apple accessory. It can simulate all traditional remote control so that can replace all infrared remote control you have, like air conditioner, electric fan, smart lamp, stereo system, television, etc. Jakcom i2L built-in dual-core infrared and emission modules make control range far better than similar products. Through unique design and advanced processing technology, all integrated circuit units are in the audio pin, so that this Jakcom i2L has super mini size. The unique and integrative design of the LED rotary switch makes it convenient to use. You can open or close it by rotation. LED pilot lamp can show the state, so that no need plug in or pull out. Jakcom, just to be what you really need.